If CapCut Desktop is giving you a network error, no internet connection message, export crashes, rendering failures, or even login and startup issues, this video is going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. CapCut problems can be frustrating, especially when everything else on your computer seems to be working normally. The good news is that most of these errors are caused by a few common settings, network restrictions, or background conflicts that you can fix in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's deal with the network error or no internet connection issue. If CapCut is saying it can't connect, the first thing you should check is your local Wi-Fi. This is especially important if you're on school Wi-Fi, office Wi-Fi, or any managed network, because those networks often block CapCut servers without warning. Even though your internet may work in a browser, CapCut might still be blocked in the background. A quick way to test this is to switch from your normal Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot. If CapCut suddenly opens and connects properly, then you've confirmed the problem is with the network and not the app itself. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your app permissions and security software. Sometimes antivirus programs or firewall settings can silently block CapCut from connecting online. Open your antivirus or firewall settings and look for any blocked apps, restricted connections, or protected applications list. Make sure CapCut is allowed through. If you have a third-party security tool installed, temporarily disabling it for a moment can also help you test whether that's the source of the issue. Just remember to turn it back on afterward. In many cases, once CapCut is allowed through the firewall, the network error disappears immediately. Now let's move on to export crashes and rendering failures. If your project starts exporting and then suddenly freezes, crashes, or fails during rendering, the issue is often related to hardware encoding. CapCut uses your computer's hardware acceleration to speed up exports, but on some systems that feature can actually cause instability. To fix that, open CapCut and go to the menu, then open Settings and head into the Performance section. Look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and uncheck it. After that, save the setting, close CapCut completely, and restart the app. Once CapCut reopens, try exporting the video again. Turning off hardware encoding forces CapCut to use a more stable export method, which can solve crashing, freezing, and rendering problems on many computers. This is one of the most effective fixes if your exports fail consistently, especially on older devices or systems with driver issues. If your video is long or uses heavy effects, this step can make a huge difference. Next, let's fix login and startup issues. If CapCut won't open properly, gets stuck on launch, or refuses to log in, the first thing to do is restart the process completely. Sometimes CapCut leaves background tasks running even after the app looks closed, and those stuck tasks can prevent it from starting correctly the next time. To fix that, open Task Manager on Windows and end every CapCut related task you see. Make sure the app is fully closed before reopening it. After that, relaunch CapCut as administrator. Right-click the app and choose Run as administrator. This gives CapCut the permissions it needs to start correctly and access the files and system resources it may be struggling with. In many cases, simply ending the background tasks and running the app with administrator privileges is enough to solve startup bugs, login problems, and failed launches. If you want to be extra careful, you can also combine these fixes. For example, if CapCut is showing a network error and also crashing on export, try switching networks first, then disable hardware encoding, and finally restart the app as administrator. Working through the fixes one by one helps you isolate the real cause instead of guessing. So to recap, if you see a network error or no internet connection message, try a mobile hotspot and check your firewall or antivirus permissions. If exporting crashes or rendering fails, disable speed up hardware encoding in performance settings. And if login or startup is broken, end all CapCut tasks in Task Manager and relaunch the app as administrator. These steps solve a lot of the most common CapCut Desktop problems without needing a full reinstall. If this video helped you fix CapCut Desktop, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.